and all together, let us recite the pledge of loyalty. I, Jefferson B. Tambon, hereby appear my loyalty to my alma mater,
Systems Plus Computer College, Basic Education Department, Junior High School level, and to every noble thing it stands for, beginning this day onward. I also hereby solemnly swear to abide by the rules and regulations
of the Systems Plus Computer College Alumni Association, of which I am now a bona fide member.
hand in hand
We shall seek the intercession of God Almighty for His guidance, so we may at all times
uphold the virtue and wisdom
we have learned
from this
from
beloved
this beloved school. So help me God.